Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what you should do before the first use of the coffee maker ZELMER Maestro Barista. So, in the first step, remove the water tank, clean it under the top and refill it with the water. Remember to do not refill it beyond the max line position. Then put the water tank inside, prepare the vessel and plug your appliance to the electricity. Then turn it on. Your rising process should start automatically and your LED indicators should blinking. After that, after the 35 seconds, the indicators should lights up permanently, and after the rising process you are ready to make your first coffee. Remember to never drink the water after the rising. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment and goodbye.